Hello everyone. Welcome to Palette of History. Today, we would like to learn about the colors that have been used for the longest time by mankind. The oldest color is actually pink. This is based on a pink pigment more than 1 billion year old that scientists discovered in 2018 in seabed rocks in Australia. This pigment was produced by bacteria, and is essentially an important marker of when life existed. Speaking of art or decoration using color, maroon is probably one of the oldest colors. There is evidence that it was used by Neanderthals 70,000 years ago. They painted the walls of the cave using naturally occurring iron oxide, a red pigment. It is one of the oldest art forms we know of. Most of the Neanderthal paintings on the walls of caves are animals or people and various symbols or patterns. One of the most representative Neanderthal drawings is the hand painting in the El Castillo cave in Spain. This painting was painted about 60,400 years ago and is believed to have been painted using iron oxide. It is one of the oldest cave paintings ever discovered. Also, drawings of other animals, people, and symbols made with iron oxide have been found in caves around the world. It is believed that these paintings were intended to depict Neanderthal life, hunting, and mythology. It provides important clues to understanding the life and culture of ancient humans. Iron oxide, reddish-brown, was one of the colors they used the most, but they may have used other colors as well. Manganese oxide, black, limestone, white, and silicide, yellow, brown, were used as sources of color. Black, in particular, is one of the colors widely used in cave paintings. These colors were obtained from manganese oxide and were used primarily to draw animal figures, people, symbols, and hand shapes. Works of art found in Chauvet Cave in France are a good example. Chauvet Cave is full of paintings from about 36,000 years ago, most of which are painted with manganese oxide, black, and iron oxide, reddish-brown. The animals depicted in this cave are very realistic and include many types of animals such as horses, cows, lions, rhinos, and antelopes. Black pigment was mainly used to outline the animals, which had the effect of setting them apart from the background painted on the walls. This black pigment played an important role in making the cave paintings look more unique and realistic. The figures of animals and people commonly seen in cave paintings are generally simplified, characteristic details tend to be emphasized. For example, the actions of people or animals on the hunt are drawn simplified, characteristic parts such as animal horns and wings can be drawn relatively more elaborately. This type of painting does not accurately depict three-dimensional space. It seems to have aimed to convey the theme or message of the painting more strongly to those who can see it. This journey of palette of history is the first color used by mankind, and it was an exploration of how those colors were used. From the discovery of the first use of pink, to cave paintings using iron oxide pigments of Neanderthals, and from ancient Egypt to the manufacture of blue pigment, mankind's use of color has been constantly evolving. We sincerely thank you for your interest and participation. On our next Palette of History journey, we will explore the history of mankind's use of different colors together. Until then, bye.